Let's move on to another concept. Let's talk about the object methods. Let me tell you, objects can also contain methods. Methods in objects are functions that belong to the object. So, to make everything clear to understand, let's create a simple method inside the person class. We inserted a simple function, as you can see, that prints hi, my name is, plus the value of the name variable that we set using the ob1 object. And we simply call and execute the hi function on the object called ob1. And the program gave us hi, my name is, plus the value of the name variable or parameter.